Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my annual spring cleaning video. I actually filmed this video probably like 3 weeks ago, and now is that I'm actually posting it. I hope you guys enjoy it and find it as inspo to basically just clean, because that's all that we can do right now, and spring cleaning is one of the best things to do at the moment, in my opinion. I'm going to be doing my full-blown decluttering steps, so I hope you guys find it useful and helpful, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so here is the current state of my closet. It's so packed and just basically a bunch of clothes stuffed in there. I have everything for my fall and winter in here. So I'm just going to start off by taking everything out of my closet and putting it in my living room, which is the closest, cleanest place to put it. So I'm just going to basically get everything out and then start sorting out what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. Alright, so everything is currently out of the closet, which is insane. Honestly, seeing it all together makes me so stressed, but there's no greater feeling than cleaning out your closet. So I'm going to start off by making 3 different piles. You guys already know my method. So one of them is keep. The next one is donate or trash if it's too old, and then what I want to store for the next fall and winter. I honestly like to go really in depth on what I truly want to keep, because I know there's so many things that we just keep for memory's sake or any connection that we have with the clothes. I also, by the way, get distracted a lot, so here's me in my phone getting distracted. But back to business. Just try to be really hard when it comes to decluttering. I also like to give myself the rule of 6 months, so if I haven't used it in the last 6 months, I know for a fact I won't use it for the following season. So yeah, just watch me declutter now.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight, won't you talk to me, I wanna heal your sorrow, won't you talk to me, we'll make a new tomorrow, won't you talk to me, one night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy faster?
After decluttering, I have so many clothes that I put aside to donate and also some to sell, but I honestly don't know where is the best place to donate and sell. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to buy some of the things that I have, because there's so many with tags and stuff, and also if you recommend anywhere to donate as well.
Don't wanna have to wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight, won't you talk to me, I wanna heal your sorrow, won't you talk to me, we'll make a new tomorrow, won't you talk to me, one night to find the answer, won't you talk to me,
I know that decluttering can be really tedious and just so much work, but it's truly rewarding at the end, and I'm so happy I did it. But here I have a pile of my hangers, which, by the way, a huge tip to organize is to have the same hangers, and then I organize everything in different sections. That way I know how to put it back. So dresses, shirts, skirts, pants, and then these two bins, if you guys have watched my decluttering videos before, these I put underneath my bed, and it's my way of storing seasonal stuff, especially in my studio. So in them right now I have my summer stuff, and I'll be switching it for my fall and winter. And then this pile that I'm dealing with right now is the stuff that I will be donating or selling. Still have no idea what yet, but I'm folding it and putting it in these bags. So now I'm just going to be sorting out my summer clothes that I put away last year, and I actually decluttered, and I'm now re-decluttering and getting rid of things that I know for a fact I won't be using this summer. And now, like I mentioned, I'm just going to start storing my fall and winter clothes in the bins. And the way that I personally like organizing them is by putting layers of downy sheets or dryer sheets in between all the clothes. That way, when I open them back again, it doesn't smell like clothes that were put away, if that makes any sense. And after 30 hours, just kidding, we're now putting the bins underneath the bed and moving on to the closet. I'm going to start organizing them again by section. That's personally the way that I like to organize my stuff. So I go in, let's say, blazers all together, shirts all together, pants all together, and then I try my best to, I guess, color coordinate as best as I can. That's personally the way that has been working out for me. I would love to have them by color just because it would look more aesthetically pleasing, but I just don't find it useful or practical that way. Now I have 3 bins that go above my closet. I will be linking these down below as well. They're from Amazon. One has t-shirts, another one has socks, some sweats, and then I go underneath, which I then store more sweats, some PJs, and jeans. Alright, so here is the finished organized look. I am so happy on how it turned out. It took me so long, but I feel like I got rid of so many things this time around. I will be linking my other decluttering videos down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and on to next time.
Dodging death in the 6 speed, instead of me